Good morning, everyone. I am Simpy. All of you are welcome to EVS class. What did you have in the breakfast today? Today, we will start chapter 3. Title of the chapter is The Food Story. In this chapter, we will learn about the importance of food. We will learn about the food. Let's begin the session. Name these food items. Do you know about them? What is this? Potato. This is rice. This is butter. This is egg. This is pulses. This is milk. Now all of you know about these food items? Good. Now meet with them. He is Aryan. He is Rahul. Aryan loves to eat healthy food. Rahul loves eating chocolates, pizzas, burgers, and everything else that was called junk food. He ate junk food for every meal of the day. His mother advises him it's fine to have all of this once in a while, but you must eat healthy foods like vegetables, cereals, breads, fruits, eggs, etc. But Rahul just keeps ignoring any advice. One day, sports day is held in the school. Both of them participate. They are so excited. They participate in long race. Rahul is not able to run. Aryan runs well. He gets first position. He gets medal. What is required to run? What is required to play? Energy is required to run. Energy is required to play. But Rahul does not have much energy. Why? Because he does not eat healthy food. He eats junk food. Rahul is so sad. Next day, Rahul does not come to school. He falls sick. He is admitted to the hospital. Aryan comes to the hospital to see him. Rahul asks the doctor, "Why did I fall sick?" Aryan is so good. He is healthy. He has much energy. But I don't have. Doctor says him, "You are weak, so you fall sick. There is the lack of nutrients in your body." Rahul asks the doctor, "Nutrients? What is nutrient?" Now, doctor makes him understand nutrient is a substance that body requires to work properly. Healthy substances present in the food are called nutrients, such as carbohydrate, food contains carbohydrate. Carbohydrate gives us energy. For example, rice, maize, bajra, etc. Such types of food contain carbohydrate, right? Next one is protein. Gram, peas and pulses. These food items contain protein. Protein helps in growth. Protein builds our body. Vitamins and minerals are found in fruits and vegetables. Vitamins and minerals help us to fight with diseases. So we should eat fruits and vegetables. Right? Now Rahul, do you know about nutrients? The food consumed by us should have correct proportions of nutrients according to our age and work. A balanced diet is a diet that contains adequate amounts of carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. So we should eat such types of food that give us carbohydrate, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. After that we can be healthy, right? We do not get the required nutrients by eating such junk foods. Generally, junk foods contain only calories, rather salt and oil. They cause harm to our body, so it is better to avoid them. Now Rahul says to the doctor, "Doctor, I have understood about the importance of food right now. From today onwards, I'll not eat junk food. I'll only eat healthy food to get energy, to be healthy." Doctor says, "Okay Rahul, that will be good for you. After some days, you will be fine. Thank you." Now tell me students, what have you learned from Aryan and Rahul? That we should not eat junk food. We should eat healthy food, right? Do you eat junk food? You can eat junk food sometimes, but you should eat healthy food to get all the nutrients, right? Now tell me students, how can you get nutrients like carbohydrates, fat, vitamins, minerals, proteins? To eat such types of food that give you carbohydrates, protein, fat, vitamins and minerals, right? So what are the importance of food? It gives us the energy to work. We get energy from the food because after eating food we get carbohydrate and fat, right? It keeps us healthy by protecting us from diseases because we get vitamins and minerals from the food. It helps us to grow tall and strong because we get protein from the food. That helps us to grow tall and strong. Now all of you have understood about the importance of food. What are the functions of food, right? If you don't eat healthy food, you can't get energy to work. You can't fight with diseases. You can't grow well, right? So you should eat healthy food to get all the nutrients, right? Now all of you look at this food chart. Bodybuilding foods. Such types of food items contain protein. Protein builds our body, so such types of food are called bodybuilding food, right? Protein helps us to grow. Energy foods, such types of food items contain carbohydrate like potatoes, bread. So these food items are called energy foods. Protective foods, such type of food items contain vitamins and minerals which help us to fight with diseases. So these food items are called protective foods. Now all of you come to know about the bodybuilding foods, energy foods, protective foods. Good. What is your assignment? This is your assignment. you have to complete this table. Energy giving food, you have to write down the name of the food items which give you energy, which contains what? Carbohydrate. Bodybuilding food, you have to write down the name of the food items which helps us to build our body. Which food items contain what? Protein, right? Can you complete this assignment? Okay, right? Recently I have taught you about the energy giving food, bodybuilding food, right? Now it's time to finish the session. See you in the next class. Thank you.